This is part 2 of showing you how I repaired a fiberglass bumper. In the last video, we patched the back of the bumper using fiberglass strips. Once the resin cured, the bumper was back together and regained some structural integrity. I began to clean it up in preparation for grinding. I removed any sharp edges from the back and began to create valleys where there were major cracks. I laid enough material on the back so that I wouldn't grind through. I then gave the entire bumper a sand with 320. I then cleaned the valleys with acetone for cosmetic patching. For this, I used a structural body filler that contains glass fibers. I pressed it into all the valleys, being somewhat generous. Once that cured, I took a DA sander with a 220 pad and worked to smooth out the filler. At this point, the bumper was looking pretty good and I moved on to a lighter body filler. I used the block to smooth that filler out so I wouldn't leave any waves in the surface. I also used a sanding foam pad to get into tight geometry. The bumper was ready for primer, but we didn't do that since it was going to be wrapped. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments.